Hi guys, it's me Malcolm, the movie Wizard of Oz himself, and I'm here at Regal Cinemas at LA Live, baby. I'm here to discuss my review of the new DC Cinematic Universe movie, Birds of Prey, and the fabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn, starring Margot Robbie, Mary Elizabeth Winstead, Journey Smollett-Bell, Rosie Perez, and Evan McGregor.
Yes, I'm going too. I get paid to watch the trailers.
Good luck. love her. She's so giddy. Oh my God, Birds of Prey was amazing. I love every single minute of it. It is just like the movie Deadpool. I mean, Harley narrating, breaking the fourth wall. She is just like Deadpool. She definitely gave him a run for his money. Can you imagine? I mean, I do believe they would make an epic couple if DC and Marvel do crossover. Oh, I really do love Harley. She is her own woman ever since she broke up with the Joker. And I really do admire the music for this one. Honest, it was absolutely amazing. Not only the original soundtrack, but also some good songs from the old days. They were so perfect for these movies. It's a playlist to Harley's life. I really do admire the Birds of Prey themselves, the Huntress, Black Canary, and Renee Montoya. Oh, these three women were absolute badass, and they make a perfect team with Harley Quinn. And I really do admire the little girl in it, Cassandra Cain, played by Ella Jay. She was amazing as well. She could be such devious as pickpocketing every money, jewel she could find. But that don't change until she stole something she shouldn't have stolen. And that's where Harley comes in. I mean, I really do admire this movie. It definitely was based on the new 52 version of Harley Quinn. And there were some bits and pieces that were just straight out of the comics, like the roller derby, and the dead beaver she always keeps talking to. Boy, who would have thought she would do that? And I really do admire the villain. Evan McGregor playing Roman, aka Black Mask. Oh, he was such a psycho. But nothing is psycho than his handyman, Victor Zsasz. He was so deadly and vicious. It's like he has no soul in the world. Yeah. But I do admire the movie. It was funny, action-packed. It was crazy, and a wild ride. It was like an ultimate roller coaster. I must say, this is why I love Harley Quinn. She is definitely one of my top 5 favorite villains. She was awesome though. I love her. I would like to give shout outs to Margot Robbie Margot, you were amazing. You were absolute fantastic, and you were effing amazing, and you were already said amazing. You were a badass bitch, hands down. You were. I really love you. Look. And let's not forget these birds of prey themselves. I mean, Mary Elizabeth Winstead, Journey Smollett-Bell, and Rosie Perez. You three were amazing, though. Mary, I really do admire your huntress outfit. You were stunning and fantastic. And Journey, I really do admire you playing the role as Black Canary herself. You really do give Katie Cassidy a run for her money when she was in Arrow. And Rosie Perez, it is great to see you being in a DC movie. I always do admire you ever since you were in oh damn it escapes me, but I know what it is you were in a movie with Nicolas Cage, and there was a scene where you were wearing fur and there was these animal protesters that threw paint on you. It was crazy. And for the record, I really do admire your voice. It was so unique. I don't care if you have a voice of a child or a exotic voice, like a European voice. You talk so well. And even McGregor, let's not forget about you. You were such a badass villain other than Dr. Zavanna, the Joker, Black Manta, Ocean Master. Oh, you really were so evil and devastating. Oh. You were perfect for the role. Lord. Can't believe I'm talking this much. So, for my score for Birds of Prey, I would definitely give it a 10. Definitely a 10. This movie definitely deserves a 10. Okay guys, time to wrap this up. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and be sure you all watch Birds of Prey this weekend. Bye.